Waiting in the queue to pick up the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Waiting, waiting. They said 5 minutes. Ordered 3 items: iPhone 17 Pro Max, Ultra 3, and AirPods Pro 3. Welcome back to another new episode of Tint and Travel. Okay, got the delivery of iPhone 17 Pro Max. See the color? AirPods Pro 3. Ultra 3 watts. Case. Wallet. These are all the items I bought today. And Belkin screen protector. Unboxing I'll show you from the home. Alright? Lot of Apple products. See. Going back to home, unboxing I'll show you from home. Got all the Apple products today. The main attraction is new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Delivery was smooth, right? It didn't take much time.
Yes.
The new items are iPhone 17 Pro Max, AirPods Pro 3, and Watch Ultra 3. Apple event was on September 9th. Pre-order started on September 12th and available from September 19th. This is the new iPhone 17 Pro Max Cosmic Orange, the new color. Going to unbox this. This time it is aluminum body. Last year it was titanium. In the box we have phone and the USB-C charging cable. Color is awesome, right? Very nice color. See the comparison. This one is iPhone 16 Pro Max, titanium body. iPhone 17 Pro Max, aluminum body. 15 Pro Max, 16 Pro Max and 17 Pro Max. This is Watch Ultra 3. Okay. See the matching color. It's nice. Unbox. Ting, 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 ting. Black. See, almost same. This is also orange. Matching color. Ultra 2 and 3. See? Slight difference, that's all. And this is another new product. AirPods Pro 3. This one is 2 and this is the new one, Pro 3. Size wise I think Pro 3 is little bit bigger. See? Yeah, it's almost same. This is the case. MagSafe case. This time I have not opted for the transparent case. This is a new model from Apple. So MagSafe. One more orange color. This is the wallet. MagSafe wallet. This is MagSafe. See the color? Everything is matching. This is Crossbelt Strap, introduced by Apple this year. See, you can wear like this. Right? I think it's almost same, a bit more for the new one. Front camera changed a lot. Now it is 18 megapixel. See the clarity. Going forward, you can see the beautiful visuals from iPhone 17 Pro Max. With this, I'm ending this episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.